Welcome back to Autoscope. Exterior, BYD Motorhome 2026, electric innovation for contemporary adventure. Modern and aerodynamic, to lower air resistance and boost efficiency, the external design will often be modern and aerodynamic. Complete LED lighting and clean, elegant lines are featured. Integrated solar panels, to lessen reliance on outside power sources and assist in charging the household battery. The motorhome's roof is probably going to have effective integrated solar panels. Large windows offer the best views, perhaps with the added option of electronically dimmable smart windows. The entryway will be spacious and simple to reach. External storage generous and conveniently located outside storage area. Interior premium and sustainable materials. Using premium recycled and sustainable materials will be a defining feature. Kitchen, fridge, freezer, and induction cooker, large sink and storage. This sink has both hot and cold water taps, as well as clever kitchenware storage. Permanent a convertible bed. It may be a seating area that can be made into a bed or a permanent queen or king size bed, depending on size. The BYD DiLink central touchscreen is a sizable infotainment system that is connected to motorhome features. 5G connectivity, 5G internet access for remote work, entertainment streaming, and navigation. Premium audio system. The entire cabin is equipped with top-notch speakers. Integration of smart home's voice control for a number of features. E-Platform 3.0 Plus platform. BYD's extremely flexible platform is probably going to be the foundation upon which the motorhome is constructed, for the best stability and traction, particularly on uneven terrain. Dual electric motors AWD are recommended. Amazing engine and torque. The motorhome's larger weight should be able to be overcome by the engine output. Next generation Blade battery. BYD will leverage the advantages of Blade battery technology, which is renowned for its durability. Cybersecurity will be a top priority due to the large number of interconnected networks.